lead, we make winners who lead.
Hello students. Discover the path to success with Learn to Lead Academy's Math 2023 December online crash course. This comprehensive course spans 75 days and offers you a chance to start fresh with a new batch commencing on October 2nd. There is no need to wait. Enroll now to gain immediate access to our cutting edge course material. This is your golden opportunity to excel in the upcoming MAT 2023 examination. Join our online course today and embark on your journey towards success.
Learn to lead, we make winners who lead.